Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and this is my clipboard from My Mans. I absolutely adore this clipboard because of how professional it looks. Up close you can see it's in the beautiful blue color and the stitching is so precise, but not only is it a clipboard, I have so much compartment space that I can put papers, I can even put business cards, and it even has more pockets in case you need to put other items, and it even holds a pen. I love the way that the clipboard can hold up to 30 pieces of paper, and the clipboard is very strong and sturdy, so your papers aren't going anywhere. I really like the size of it. It's in the A5 size. You can see here that it's a little bit bigger than the size of my hand. This is perfect if you're going to work, take to meetings. You have everything you need in this clipboard, so you don't have to worry about taking your purse. I like that you can even bend the clipboard backward and it doesn't damage your organizer, and you can write here for privacy in case you don't want anyone to see, and you can easily close the clipboard. So if you're looking for an amazing clipboard, definitely check out this one from My Mans. That's my point of view.